YouTube, welcome back to another video. In today's video I wanna play the music that I made with a friend of mine, Franklin Souls. So I made a beat for this guy and he recorded his vocals in his studio and he mixed and he mastered the beat and he sent back everything within a day, bro. Like, man, this guy is a genius. So I just want to share what happened on this video. I want to share the beat, how I made the beat, how I got the loop on splice, and how I added the drums and everything. So after I was play the music in the end, even though I posted some of the videos, if you check my recent latest videos, they are there. I even tried to make the lyrics for this track and then everything, but yeah, man. If you need the channel, make sure you subscribe, comment, like, and share. And check my community. Go and check my Telegram. Follow me on social media platforms: Instagram, X. No, not X. Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Yeah, I'm available all over the social media platforms. So I update and share all the everything about the FS Studio and music production. So without wasting any further time, let me get straight to the beat, show you how it all started and how it is going. I mean, how it started and where it is going. So, we're about to get a camera, shoot a music video. This is the MP3 for now. So, I dropped the lyrics. I tried to make the lyrics for the track. Go and check my recent latest video on this channel and make sure you tell me what you think about the track, because this guy is a genius. He mastered the track, he mixed the track, and he did everything that he can do because it is his own vocals and he did the best. So the rest is not up to us, it's up to the listeners, the viewers. And tell me what you think about the MP3. What is wrong with the MP3? Because to me it sounds perfect, and I sent him a lot of beats. Now he still wants me to make new beats and send him. He said he wanna drop an album because he loved the beats. So I love the music because I was satisfied with the vocals, and I feel like this guy can go places. So yeah, man. Let me get straight to the beat and show you what happened, and after that I will play the MP3. Please subscribe to this channel. Then everything will be dope, man. Peace. Thank you for watching. Before I can go further with the beat breakdown, I got this loop from splice.com, so you can go and check it out. You can get the app on Google Play Store. So this loop was like the guitars, and I had to increase the leveler and cut the lows in the FX equalizer and add the reverb. Yeah, man.
Can you give me what I need? I'm looking for atonement.
And then I found this vocal from Splice, so it was matching with the guitar sample, and then I just added the vocal sample because they were running at the same BPM, 80 BPM for this beat. And what I did on this vocal was to add the reverb 2, FX reverb 2, and increase the wet to give it more reverb, you know. So yeah, and then after that I went straight to the drums.
Who can lift me up my feet? Who can take me higher? Who can take me higher? Who can lift me up? Roseman, can you give me what I need? I'm looking for atonement. Who can lift me on my feet? Who can take me higher? Who can take me higher? Who can lift me up? Who can lift me on my feet? Who can take me higher? Higher.
Nicolas on this beat, yo.
Roseman, can you give me what I need? I'm looking for atonement. Who can lift me on my feet? Who can take me higher? Who can take me higher? Who can lift me up? Who can lift me on my feet? Who can take me
Nicolas
higher?
on this beat, yo.
Roseman, can you give me what I need? I'm looking for atonement. Can you give me what I need? I'm looking for atonement. Who can lift me on my feet? Who can take me higher? Who can take me higher?
Nicolas on this beat, yo.
So that was the big breakdown. So now I'm about to play the MP3, the one that he just mixed and mastered in his studio with his own microphone. So I'll just drop any random picture so that we can just listen to the music. And yeah, man, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, comment, like, and share.
Nicolas on this beat, yo.
Soundproof Studio Production.
Roseman, can you give me what I need? I'm looking for atonement. Who can lift me on my feet? Who can take me higher? Who can take me higher?
Don't you worry about what people say about me and you, cause you know that our love is so real. I can never find someone who can do it and replace you, cause you know that what we have is so real. I can never find someone who's better than you. All this time I've spent with you. Yeah. she knows that she's the badass. Her body fine, no design can define, and she knows that she is mine, and I have been wanna udas. You give me love and we wine and dine, and then we rewind, and then the day she knows she got a fat ass. Go to the best. Dingas we press and go remind the other less, and then my love for you, we know that is deeper than the ocean. Her body skin don't even know body lotion. Don't you worry about what people say about me and you, cause you know that our love is so real. I can never find someone who can do it and replace you, cause you know that what we have is so real. I can never find someone who's better than you. All this time I'm playing with you. In rainy days I will shelter you under my umbrella. Right now on destiny, cause we belong together. If the shoe fits, then you my Cinderella. I'll be a Prince Charming, but you know that you my Bella.
Soundproof Studio Production.